Welcome to this deeper look at the Ignite API product management platform. Previously, we built the Lifestyle API product to support a new health and wellness option on a life insurance policy, using a combination of existing API building blocks, the public Fitbit API, and creating a new reusable API to allow rebate payment when a customer meets the activity targets. So let's look at a little bit more detail about how this works from a DevOps and testing perspective. So in the other Going Deeper videos, we've seen how one of the building blocks, the rebate payment API, has been extended to support both the UK and the US, enabling the Lifestyle API product to be launched in both markets. However, this success is placing strain on the policy system, so it's my responsibility to explore what can be done to improve things. The policy system essentially is a monolithic application which has been running for many years and is extremely reliable, but it was originally designed for batch operations. Over time, an API running in an ESB has been added to allow real-time access for client applications. Now, whilst this works, the more the policy system is used, the more apparent something needs to be done. It doesn't surprise me that the Lifestyle API product is causing issues. So I'd like to explore what some of the techniques used by microservices. What can Ignite do for me? Well, as the API Lifestyle building block is in Ignite, and I know from the Lifestyle product which methods I require, I can split out just the parts I need to support the Lifestyle, just the get, create and update calls. Then I can repackage these into a single smaller API aimed at just supporting the Lifestyle product. I could even create 3 microservices if I preferred. Using a Developer Plus template, I support these with a local information cache, and I can now add some prefetching logic so I can improve chance of cache hits. All this is wrapped up into a Docker container and deployed to the Ignite runtime, Kubernetes providing the container management. So now I can take the Lifestyle API product and point it to the microservice rather than the ESB and begin to see the impact this has on the customer experience of the Lifestyle product. So just to see what this looks like within Ignite, I drill down into the policy building blocks and I make a clone so I can trim out the methods I don't require. Once I've removed them, because this is cloned from a working API with all the mappings, I can simply set the Developer Plus template for all information cache and save it. This means that when I go to the summary of this new API, it is ready for deployment and indeed has already been built and deployed into the test runtime, and I can begin to use it. I then update to the new version of the API product to this version and begin to see how it performs. So hopefully this shows how easy it is within the Ignite platform to split APIs into microservices and to experiment with different approaches and implementation technologies, all part of the ongoing lifecycle management of an API. Please either book a demonstration or explore some of the other Going Deeper videos. Thank you very much.